And new at midday, the state health department now tracking a new statistic when it comes to COVID-19. Starting today, reinfection numbers added to the weekly report of COVID case numbers. Take a look at your screen. The orange line represents the number of COVID cases that are reinfections from January 2021 to September 2022. While new case counts continue to decrease, reinfection numbers are increasing. There have been over 10,000 reinfections since September 2020, when the very first reinfection case was recorded.
A recent infection can help your body produce antibodies, and it can help protect you. But that protection diminishes over time. You can get infected again.
The reinfection numbers now represent 10% of all COVID cases in Hawaii and have just been added to the overall COVID case counts. And as mentioned, the state continues to see a downward trend of new COVID cases. Today, the Hawaii Health Department reporting the overall test positivity rate has dropped from 6% to 5.7% over the last week. You can see a breakdown of new cases by island on your screen. Remember, these numbers do include reinfections dating back to September 2020, which is why there is an overall higher case count today. The state also reports 7 people have died this week due to the virus. Right now, according to the Healthcare Association of Hawaii, there are 73 COVID positive patients in Hawaii hospitals. That's an increase of more than 40% from yesterday. Continuing with the latest on COVID-19, updated boosters may be available for younger age groups as soon as early October. That's according to a source close to planning discussions. Moderna and Pfizer both asked the Food and Drug Administration for emergency use authorization for their updated boosters. Moderna has asked for kids who are 6 years old and older. Pfizer has asked for kids ages 5 through 11. The FDA now has to authorize the updated vaccines, and the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has to recommend them. The booster will target the original COVID strain as well as the Omicron BA4 and 5 subvariants. New at midday, the most recent vaccination numbers in the state. Right now, about 78% of all Hawaii residents have received at least 2 shots of a COVID-19 vaccine. 45% have received their first booster shot. According to the state health department, 13% of residents have received a second booster shot, which is up 1 percentage point from last week. The updated booster shot, or bivalent booster, is available statewide. To find out where you can get it, head to KITV.com and search bivalent.